Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy, because cocktails don't have to be difficult. Today we're taking a look at a slight variation on the Mexican classic, the Paloma. In this case, the frozen Mezcal Paloma. Now this is great year-round, especially when it gets warmer, and it's great for Cinco de Mayo. But two things to keep in mind. One, Cinco de Mayo is not Mexican Independence Day, that's September 16th. And two, if you are celebrating Cinco de Mayo, don't be this guy.
Everybody love it. Everybody love it.
If you haven't already, please go ahead and click on the subscribe and bell icons to be notified every time we release a new video. And without any further ado, let's make a cocktail. To build the frozen Mezcal Paloma, you'll start with 2 ounces of mezcal. Next, you'll add 2 ounces of fresh grapefruit juice, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice, half an ounce of honey undiluted, so you might need a spatula to get that out, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, kosher salt is best, and 1.5 cups of ice. Cap off the blender and blend until smooth. And there you have the frozen Mezcal Paloma. It has the flavor profile you'd expect from your typical Paloma, that nice touch of smoke and earthiness from the mezcal, and the bright notes of the lime and grapefruit juice. If you like the salty characteristic of some Palomas, feel free to add a little bit of extra salt on top after you've already poured it into the glass. That's a little trick that I really enjoy. So try the frozen Paloma, great for when the weather gets a little bit warm, or if you just want a little bit of a different texture to your classic Paloma. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy.